Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rotary tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Avid Power Cordless 5-Speed Rotary Tool. Thanks to Avid Power, they present incredible, lightweight, and compact rotary tools with variable motor and robust motor. Its ergonomic design makes it light and easy to use for finer work and delicate tasks. In addition to that, this rotary tool features 60 pieces accessories that enable you to do any home project or crafting jobs, like polishing, grinding, sanding, drilling, carving, cutting, and more. With 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery and 8-volt output, this tool can deliver steady and strong power. For high performance and convenience, this rotary tool features 4 front LED lights that illuminate battery charging light, variable speed indicator, and dark working spaces to allow for effective use. It also incorporates spindle lock for quick and easy changing of accessories. Moving on at number 4, we have the HAWKFORCE CM8L Rotary Tool. If you are not that professional in engraving and polishing using a rotary tool, then this is a lucky day for you because HAWKFORCE presents the right tool for you. This cordless rotary runs on 8-volt Li-ion. Its cordless design makes it portable and ready to use even in areas electrical outlet is accessible, while it's compacted for comfortable handling with minimal fatigue. And to enhance visibility, this tool is integrated with bright LED lights on the front end for detailed application. Its cordless design makes it portable and ready to use even in areas electrical outlet is accessible, while it's compacted for comfortable handling with minimal fatigue. Additionally, it features 5 adjustable speeds for maximal controls and precise operation. At number 3, we have the WORKPRO Cordless Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit. This rotary tool has the capacity to make you enjoy higher performance. It is powered by a 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery that can endure runtime while still delivering steady and strong power. Besides that, this tool has a lightweight and compact design for accurate work. It also features a soft grip handle for giving it maximum control. Lucky for you, the quick stop button and spindle lock button provides safety and extra security to you. Pleasingly enough, this rotary tool includes 70 different accessories for cleaning, grinding, sanding, carving, polishing, and so on. For additional convenience, this tool is also accompanied by a portable, neatly, and the organized case for easy carrying. In addition to that, this tool is constructed with premium grade material that makes it long-lasting and more durable. For a super lifespan and quality guarantee, it is also accompanied with 2 years warranty. At number 2, we have the NoCry 152-piece Accessory Rotary Toolkit. Unlike other brands of rotary tools, this rotary tool by NoCry features 152 multi-purpose accessories for sharpening, cutting, sanding, and polishing and carving needs. These 152 pieces include 16x sanding bands, 2x sanding shanks, 3x collets, 82 wheels, 10x fiberglass, 46x cutoff, 6x felt, 18x grinding, 1x cloth, 1x rubber emery, 40x sanding paper, 2x brushes, 1x whetstone, 13 bits, 3x mandrel, 5x diamond, 4x HSS drill, 1x HSS cutter, and protective storage case. More emphatically, this kit features only the premium grade of bits that are toughly built to withstand all your engraving, drilling, polishing, and cutting, grinding, and cleaning projects. Lucky for you, this tool is accompanied by a limited lifetime warranty, full refund, or free replacement guarantee within 30 days of purchase. And finally at number 1, we have the GOXAWEE MultiPro Flex Shaft and Keyless Chuck Rotary Toolkit. Surprisingly compact with variable speed, the rotary tool from GOXAWEE is a high-performance craft tool with 140 PCs accessory and attachment. It comes with cover shield for providing better protection for grinding and cutting. The incorporated drill locator assists for a precision task on wood. This tool features 3-jaw universal chucks that offer better stability on your job. It allows you to quickly and easily change accessories freely. GOXAWEE multi-chuck is compatible with accessories that ranges 1/64 inches to 1/8 inches shank. Suitable when the application needs numerous accessory changes. With 8,000 to 30,000 RPM variable speed, this tool can handle delicate engravings on tile, wood, and glass, wood, metal, and plastic. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.